Now that VS Code and Flutter has been installed into our system, we must make sure that Git is installed and working fine in our device. We'll be using Git for cloning GitHub projects, so it is mandatory to have Git functional in our system. To check if Git is installed and working fine, you can open up your terminal in Mac through Launchpad, or if you are at Windows, you can search for command prompt. Once the command prompt or terminal is open, type git space -v to get the version of Git installed on your system. If you are getting this message, then Git has been installed on your system and is functional. But instead of getting this Git version, if you are getting any error over here, then you can Google how to install Git on your system. So if you are on Windows 10, you can search for how to install Git on Windows 10, and if you are on Mac, you can search for how to install Git on Mac. And there are multiple pages that will assist you for installing Git on your system. And if you are getting any error over here, then you can copy the error and search for the exact error in Google. And you most probably will be getting this Stack Overflow link, and you can solve these errors. Git is mandatory for this course, so make sure that Git is functional on your system, alright? And do you have a GitHub account? If you don't, then having a version control system is mandatory for software developers. So navigate into github.com and create your account. Creating an account in GitHub is simple. Enter your email address and the setup will guide you through the process. Once your GitHub account is ready, you will be joining millions of developers that utilize GitHub on a daily basis. Now that Git is functional in our system and we have created a GitHub account, we can move forward with the Flutter app development. So I'll see you at the next lesson.